Your Galaxy Watch 8 just got smarter, faster, and more secure because Samsung has dropped the November 2025 update, and trust me, you'll want to install this one as soon as possible. Let's break down everything you need to know in just a few minutes. Alright, let's dive into what's new for the Galaxy Watch 8. Samsung has officially rolled out the November 2025 update for the Galaxy Watch 8, and this one focuses on what matters most: security, performance, and reliability. This update is built on One UI 8.0 running on Wear OS 6, bringing small but meaningful improvements across the system. Right now, the update is only available in South Korea, but don't worry, Samsung usually pushes these updates globally within days or weeks. So if you're outside Korea, just sit tight, it's coming soon. The firmware versions you'll see are L320X XU1A YK, one for model smell 320, and L330X XU1A YK, one for model smell 330. If those match your watch model, you've got the right update. Let's talk improvements, because this update brings real value: better performance, smoother animations and transitions, improved overall stability, security patches for November 2025, and bug fixes to reduce crashes and glitches. It's not a flashy feature-packed update, but it is the kind of update that keeps your watch running reliably every day. Here's how to get the update when it arrives for your region. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. Go to Watch Settings, tap Watch Software Update. Hit Download and Install. Make sure the version matches your device model before you start. Once the installation begins, don't turn off your phone. Don't restart your watch. Don't interrupt the process. The update installs pretty quickly, and once it's done, your Galaxy Watch 8 should feel noticeably smoother and more responsive. So that's the latest November 2025 update for the Galaxy Watch 8. Better security, improved performance, and a more stable experience overall. Are you seeing the update on your device yet? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a Galaxy Watch update. Thanks for watching.